Hello everyone. In today's video we shall be looking at how to eliminate duplicate records in a data set. So as you can see in this table, there are two duplicate records in row 2 and 3. So it's very important as data analyst for you to eliminate duplicate records. First of all, you have to know that it can alter the insights you get from your data analysis. Now, if you scroll down, you can see that there are just 35 records of this data, and then row 2 and 3 they're having the same record of data. And then if you come down, you can see row 35 and also row 29, they're having the same record of data, even though they are not adjacent to one another. So one thing you have to know is that a row has a duplicate record if, as you scroll through the columns, maybe you check 1, 2, 3, you check across 3 columns and you discover, oh, the same wordings, the same values exist for the 3 columns. That means that particular data is duplicate. You must not really go through all the columns before you can be able to assume that it is a duplicate value. So for us to eliminate this, first of all, we want to click here, and then we'll come to the data ribbon. On the data ribbon, you click on this icon, which is remove duplicates. When you click on it, you have this dialog box pop up, and then it's going to ask you select one or more columns that contain duplicates. Of course, you have to check that your data has headers. If you don't check this, Excel will assume your headers to be part of the original to be part of the records, and that may not tell well on your work. So you want to make sure that all these columns are checked, and you want to also make sure that they are aligned together. So you click OK, and then can you see 8 duplicate values have been found and removed. 26 unique values remain. Okay, and of course it may contain empty cells and spaces. 8 duplicate. Now when we click OK, you can see the Acer Golden Crush, which was existing 2 times, had been taken away. One of it had been taken away. So just as you can see, the duplicate value has also been removed. And then also this particular record, which was the duplicate value, had also been removed. So this is how you can be able to remove duplicate value. So whether the values are together, adjacent to one another, whether the records are adjacent to one another or they are further apart from one another, once you eliminate them using the duplicate using the remove duplicate icon, it is going to work for all cases. So that is how you can be able to remove a duplicate value from your data set. See you in the next video.